Welcome to this tutorial. If you've ever dreamed of creating breathtaking animations in 2D or 3D styles like Pixar or Disney, but thought it required expensive hardware or advanced skills, this step-by-step video is for you. Today, you'll learn how to use AI tools to turn simple text into stunning animated videos without needing technical expertise. Step 1. Story creation with AI. The first step in creating an animation is building a strong, clear story. To help with this, I've created a customizable text template. You can find the link to this template in the description of this video. It's divided into two main parts. In the first section, you define the theme and character appearance. This includes age, clothing, hairstyle, and any key features. The second part prompts ChatGPT or any other AI model to generate a story based on your input. Once you define your character and copy the template into ChatGPT, it will provide you with a complete story, prompts for generating images, voiceover text for narration. This organized method ensures visual and narrative consistency throughout your animation. Step 2. Generating images using Leonardo AI. Next, we use Leonardo AI to convert those prompts into images. Go to the Leonardo AI website and create a free account. From the dashboard, click on Image Creation. Paste the first prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Use these settings. Model, Phoenix 1. Prompt Enhancer, off. Style, dynamic. Mode, fast. Aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube. Image size, medium. Number of images, 4. Click Generate. Once the thumbnails appear, choose the best one and download it. For each new scene, return to ChatGPT. Copy the next image prompt. Paste it into Leonardo with the same settings. Pro tip: to maintain character consistency, copy the seed number from a good image and enable the Use Fixed Seed option in advanced settings before generating the next image. Repeat this process until you have all the scenes in image format. Step 3. Turning images into animations using Kling AI. With your images ready, we'll animate them using Kling AI. Visit the selling website and create a free account. From the left menu, click on AI Videos, then go to Image to Video tab. Upload your image, max size 10 MB, min dimension 300px. In the prompt box, describe the animation effect you want. Leave motion brush off for now. Under Mode, choose Standard, Free Plan. Set the video length, 5 seconds, available for free accounts. Add a negative prompt if needed. Click Generate. Your animated video will be ready in a few seconds. You can download it, though free versions will have a watermark. Repeat this process for all images you've created. Step 4. Creating narration using 11 Labs. Now, let's add narration using 11 Labs AI. Go to the 11 Labs website and sign up using Google or your email. In the text-to-speech section, paste the voiceover text from ChatGPT. Choose a suitable AI voice from the drop-down. Click Generate Speech. Download the audio file. Repeat this step for each section of your story. Step 5. Editing and final video creation. To combine animations and voiceover into a final video, use video editing software. You can use CapCut, Canva, or Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial, we use CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your animated video clips and audio files. Create a new sequence with 16:9 full HD settings. Drag and drop your assets onto the timeline. Use the razor tool to split and align the voiceover exactly with the animation clips. Scale all video layers to match the frame size. Once the project is complete, go to File greater than Export. Set format to H264, resolution to Full HD, and click Export. Your full animation video is now complete. Conclusion. You've just learned how to create a Pixar-style animation using only text, AI, and free tools, without needing design or animation experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More advanced tutorials are on the way. Stay tuned and keep creating.